Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a new role for your team members from scratch. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Team on the left. Click Manage Roles at the top, and here, select Create New Role. Input your new role title over here, and input your brief description as well. Moving on, go to the permissions section and select which permissions you'd like to give them by ticking the corresponding checkboxes. Once you're done, review everything to make sure that there are no mistakes. And once everything's all good, click on Save. And there you have it. You can now assign this role to your existing team members or new ones. Hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.